Well, the Attorney General's office says the group that hung these banners was in violation of the law, but an attorney representing that group says it was protected speech. Now a judge will make the final decision.
I'm trying to figure out where do you draw the line here?
Judge David Ruoff questioned the New Hampshire Attorney General's office for nearly an hour during an appeals hearing in Rockingham Superior Court on Wednesday.
And it can't be a fickle target when it comes to the First Amendment.
At the center of debate, a series of banners that were hung on an overpass in Portsmouth last year that read, quote, "Keep New England White." They were put up by members of a group known as NSC 131, or the Nationalist Social Club. The AG's office says the group was motivated by race and trespassed on public property.
The display of a sign or an advertisement within a certain distance of kind of a federally funded highway, that is a restricted space. That is not a space that is free and open for public advertising.
A judge dismissed the original case in June, saying the state was using a broad interpretation of the law and was stepping on NSC 131's free speech rights, something the group's attorney agrees with and says the dismissal should stand.
I mean, it may be a very offensive message to a lot of people, but it doesn't cross the line into saying, like, do this and have a revolt or kill people or harm people or anything.
It is about prohibiting violations of the Civil Rights Act, which are actual or threatened uses of force, property damage, violence, or trespass.
No timeline right now as to when the judge will make his decision. In the meantime, the Attorney General's office says if the judge were to rule against them, they would consider appealing to the state Supreme Court. Reporting in Brentwood, I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.